Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great small sedan in our collection. A pre-owned 2021 Infiniti Q50. This Infiniti is powered by rear-wheel drive V6 engine, manual transmission, and has 36,959 miles. Experience luxury and performance with this 2021 Infiniti Q50. Elevate your drive with sleek design, advanced technology, and powerful performance. Don't miss out on this exceptional pre-owned vehicle. Test drive it today and redefine your journey. This pre-owned Q50 comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, AC, power windows, power seats, push-button start. To keep you entertained, this Infiniti Q50 is equipped with Bluetooth, navigation. Safety was put first by the following features: electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, ABS brakes, daytime running light, parking sensors. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.